Hello and welcome back. Today we're providing an update on Redwire Corporation, RDW. We last spoke about Redwire in February of 2025. As of now, the stock sits at about $18.70 a share, up from $14.69 a handful of months ago, but with a lot of momentum, and I think this is poised to move significantly higher. And let's talk about why. So, as we know, Redwire is an active acquirer of companies. So they are constantly expanding, going wider and going deeper on what they can do and the science and technology which they participate in. Some say that Redwire is really just a survivor of a lot of rolled up companies and a lot of failed companies that have fallen by the wayside. I say they are a consolidator and are bringing lots and lots of technology under one roof to provide lots of capabilities and drive significant shareholder value going into the future. With that, what do we know Redwire to do? Well, hey, they just closed their Edge Autonomy acquisition. This essentially doubles the size of the organization. It will take them into excess of $500 million in revenue on an annualized basis, and it makes them EBITDA positive. They also just raised a significant amount of cash, about $260 million, to fortify the balance sheet and provide working capital and fuel massive growth into the near future. So there's a lot of contract wins. They're doing a lot of things in Europe, a lot of things in the United States, a lot of things in Japan. This company is moving in a lot of directions. And with space, lunar, Mars, solar arrays, propulsion systems, and don't forget the unmanned aerial systems or drones, which they have a unique position in. Redwire, I believe, is poised to significantly move forward and provide great shareholder value. Let's take a look at the fundamentals and make sure it lines up with what we're thinking. So Redwire, the company that is heavily insider owned, and from what I can calculate, about 66-67% owned by insiders. That is a huge amount. Solid management and leadership team that took advantage of a lot of fantastic opportunities and has really created a fantastic aerospace organization, defense organization. So with a market cap of about $2.7 billion, revenue which is projected to be in excess of $500 million, and a price range of $4.87 all the way up to $26.66 in the past year, 52 weeks. Redwire looks very attractive at the current rates. The stock has moved up very nicely. Just in the last 5 days, we're up about 20%. Year to date, up over 15%. Over 1 year, 143%, and over a 5-year period of time, about 80%. This is all positive momentum. It's moving in the right direction and has a lot of catalysts to propel that even further. What are some of those catalysts? Well, hey, they just had a great cash raise that they did to provide a lot of capital moving forward. They are in space, aerospace, technology, defense, medical, you name it, Golden Dome, drones. They touch a lot of categories that are on fire and that are going to grow rapidly in the coming months to years. Management has good projections, and they've done a fantastic job in pulling together this outstanding organization. I think you have to be a long-term holder for this, and it's going to be good near-term and fantastic long-term. And remember, very high insider ownership for the company as well. What are analysts looking at? Analysts are saying, okay, $22.50 a share. You can take a look at that. I think this can move substantially higher than that. If you take a look at, let's do a comparison company, Rocket Lab. Rocket Lab, you could have purchased in the lows of April. You could have had that in the teens. And today, that's over $50 a share. What a fantastic move. There's not a lot of players that have the capabilities that Rocket Lab has, and there's also not a lot of players that have the capabilities that Redwire has amassed and put together. And I think the story is just beginning. $2.7 billion market cap is small enough to grow significantly. The revenue base is projected to grow exponentially. Good cash, good revenue, good capabilities. The debt is well under control, good cash balance, and high insider ownership. As for me, I've about doubled my holdings in Redwire over the last handful of weeks and hold a considerable amount that I think that this will go to $40 to $50 a share in the next 6 to 12 months and considerably higher after that. They don't make a lot of companies that are like Redwire, and I think this will be a fantastic winner into the future. If you like that, drop me a note. Let me know what you're doing. If you're into Redwire, if you prefer somebody else, I think Redwire offers superior long-term appreciation, and that's why I've built up a sizable stake. And let me know what you're doing, and we'll talk again soon.